back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is non-phone and seems to be hiring worldwide. One thing to quickly note, they do pay through PayPal, so if you're not comfortable using PayPal, this might not be for you. It is going to be part-time. We are going to dive all into it. Just know the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company Fluent, they run a language immersion website where people can sign up and learn different languages. They also come very highly rated on Glassdoor with a 4.5 out of 5-star rating as a great place to work. They are hiring a part-time freelance. This is going to be 1099 image VA or image virtual assistant. Now, location, you can work and live anywhere. They do pay hourly, although they don't say what their hourly rate is. That would have to be asked at the time of the interview. But they are basically looking for an image virtual assistant who will upload appropriate images for words in their language education service. So you'll upload images for words in all different languages that they provide services for. You'll upload images upon the editor's request. And of course, also depending on your performance, you'll add tag words to their existing images. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They do want somebody who is fluent in English, someone who has the ability to find images that language learners can easily associate with each word. So maybe they are learning a word that means toaster in a different language. You would find images of a toaster to associate with that. Or if they're learning words like azul, I think in Spanish is blue, you would find a blue image. I think that is what that means. They need somebody who has great attention to detail, basic image editing skills, like you can crop and change the size of different images. Of course, you have to be self-driven and have a productive attitude, strong communication skills, and be able to commit to at least 20 hours per week. One thing I want to quickly add about pay, even though they don't list the hourly rate, there is an hourly rate link at the very top of the page. When you click that, it opens up a page that discusses how they pay. It appears that they pay monthly on the 14th of every month, and again, they pay through PayPal. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.